We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the Infmetry Valentine's Day gifts for her him, boyfriend, girlfriend capsule notes, pills in a glass bottle. This product consists of 90 colorful pill-shaped capsules contained in a charming glass bottle. Each capsule holds a tiny rolled-up note on which you can write personal messages. It is designed as a creative and intimate way to express feelings, especially for those who find it hard to speak their emotions aloud. The product is marketed as a gift for romantic occasions such as Valentine's Day, Christmas, anniversaries, or simply as a heartfelt gesture between couples. Users appreciate the novelty and sentimentality of the concept. Many reviewers describe the process of writing the notes as a reflective and rewarding experience, allowing them to articulate thoughts and feelings they might not otherwise express. The capsules and glass bottle are noted for their cute and aesthetically pleasing design, making the product a decorative keepsake that can be displayed on desks or shelves. The kit includes everything needed: the glass jar, slips of paper, golden rings to secure the rolled notes, and the capsules themselves, which saves the hassle of sourcing these materials individually. The quality of the glass bottle is praised for being sturdy and well-made, suitable for long-term use. The capsules are lightweight and easy to open, though some users caution that they are fragile and can break if squeezed too hard. The capsules are also water-soluble, which means they can become sticky if exposed to moisture, but this also implies they are safe and non-toxic, reducing concerns about accidental swallowing, especially by children. Writing the messages requires some patience and care. The paper slips are small, and rolling them tightly enough to fit inside the capsules can be challenging. The included golden rings help maintain the scroll shape, but some users found the paper prone to tearing and had to trim it to make rolling easier. Despite this, many find the effort worthwhile due to the emotional impact and uniqueness of the gift. The product is well regarded for its affordability considering the components and the meaningful experience it offers. It is seen as an excellent value for money, especially as a thoughtful gift that keeps giving. Couples who enjoy exchanging notes can reuse the capsules, creating an ongoing exchange of sentiments that adds to the charm. Some users mention that filling all 90 capsules can be time-consuming and somewhat overwhelming when deciding what to write. However, this process also encourages reflection and creativity, which many find beneficial. The product is suitable not only for romantic partners, but also for friends and family, making it a versatile gift option for various relationships. In summary, the Infmetry Message In Capsule kit is a delightful and sentimental gift that combines creativity, emotional expression, and aesthetic appeal. It is ideal for those who want to show love and appreciation in a unique way. While the capsules require careful handling and the writing process demands some patience, the overall experience and the joy it brings to recipients make it a highly recommended product. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description to support the channel and for your convenience.